I've always had an interest in the relationship between sound and politics and music as a form of organizing. At the core of this series is digital objects that are built, instruments that are impossible to exist in the real world. You can think of them as algorithmic description of instruments, specifically trumpets and bugles. In the space, you will hear the sound of these impossible instruments. The 3D printed sculptures and the videos and the drawings you see are illustrations of these digital objects. The sound installation performed by these impossible instruments play back signal calls loosely based on the daily military schedules found in the fort. In the future, it is very important these rituals continue to be performed. They leave a trace of where we were at.